Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add text over image in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Elementor dashboard, and then when you're going to select the drag widget here, click plus. Choose the first column, which is like the only one. Now here you can also have two if you want to have two separate texts over the image. Now here you want to click on style, and when you're going to be in normal, click on background time classic and then choose image. I'm going to choose an image with food here. And let's say that I would like to have the food in a picture. And I would like to have it full screen. Because right now, as you can see, on the right side, I have this like the picture starts again. So first we need to make it bigger. I'm going to click on advanced and padding. You can simply increase the padding. It's like whatever you want, how big you want it. Like 170 would be good, right? Now, as you can see that the picture is starting again here. So what I will do, I will click here on style. You can change the position first. So let's go like center left or bottom left, that's better. But bottom center or, yep. So this could be fine, right? What I will do now is that I will click size and you can change contain, cover. So this is what we're looking for, size cover. Now again, you can change the picture where you want it. It's really up to you. Like this one, this is like the best, I think. We have a food, we have the hand of the woman there, and I like it. So this is really good. And we have the background image. Now click on the blocks here and take heading and paste it. Now here we got the text. So taste our culture. This is what I'm going to write. I'm going to change the alignment to center. I can change the size, but not here. In style, typography, I will change the size. In the moment when we are going to change the size, also the picture a little bit increases in size. You can change the font, of course, but I'm going to leave it like it is. And now I will just choose the white color. What I can do is I'm going to add a text shadow here. Like this. Okay. Nice. And we can also increase the size, like we can make it bigger. Like this. Okay. That's good. And we can have blend mode, but I don't actually use it that much, by the way. Like if you want to, you can try it, but I've never used it on any of my sites and everything. And then you get like advanced here, and you can really play around it. So you can add motion effects if you want. So adding the transparency here or anything, but it's not the necessary in my humble opinion. But what I really like to use is a border here. So you can have border radius. Now wait a second. Solid or yes, solid should be fine. Now okay, we can change the width, but it's too much. Taste our culture, you can change the color of it. The black is probably all right. Like that, and I would choose, yep, this should be good. And this is probably it, how we do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. If you have any questions, this is how you add text over image, or how you overlay image with the text. Of course, you can also link it, like write the URL here, and you will get where you want. And that's pretty much it. So thank you, have a great day, and I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.